Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 335 Pro L3h2 Blue HDI. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,572. MOT, the 26th of June 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.